So we're doing smart tiles for our RV's backsplash. We are going to hide all these imperfections behind the stove and countertop. We've picked out this particular design, so let's see how this comes out. Hoping this will go along with the countertop, but we shall see. He makes it so simple looking, but it doesn't. So this particular one is Milano Argento. We initially started off with the other color, which you've seen before. Then we decided against it. We thought this gave it a better character for our taste, and the other stuff in our RV, like the countertop. We shall see. This is fancy. So we are now switching over to the sink area here. And within the blink of an eye, he's almost done the first row. Are we only going to do that side, or are you going to do this side too?
Only this side, right?
I like this. Something new for me to look forward to.